This is the ECP2 project for Andrew Hayden and Jake Park. It's a hacked RC car controlled by computer input. So we started with the RC car remote that we took out of its case. And in the original RC remote, when you would press down a button, it grounds two of the pins for that button. And through the rest of the circuitry, it outputs a signal through the antenna to the RC car based on whether you press the forward, backward, left, or right buttons. So what we're trying to do is replicate that using keyboard input, and we do that by having a program send the keyboard input to the Arduino, and the Arduino outputs a high or low voltage to that pin for that key you press down, and that voltage it outputs will either be a high or low voltage, and in this case the low voltage is ground, and that pin is then wired to the button as if it's replicating when you would press down a button. The circuit is powered by a 9-volt battery and the USB power to the Arduino. We have a second circuit here, which is actually receiving its power from a separate pin on the Arduino, and that pin is only giving a voltage when one of the keys is being pressed in the circuit. So if it's a continuous key press in the circuit, this will actually be a blinking LED, and if you're just tapping keys, it will just illuminate very briefly. So this circuit's using a 100 nano capacitor, 5 resistors, and an op-amp as a non-inverting amplifier. So to go into a little more detail, we have a program written in C# that takes keyboard input and sends it through the serial port to the Arduino. The Arduino then processes it and outputs it to the RC car remote. So if I press the keys, it turns. It's obviously right and left's upside down because the car's upside down. Backwards, plays a loud noise. And you can see while I'm holding a key, the LED is blinking. I'm holding the right key. If I start tapping it, it starts flashing.